everyone, welcome back to BNN Reviews. My name is Nasreen.
And I'm Blazin. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the DJI Ronin-S Gimbal.
We're super excited because this is our very first gimbal. And we're also going to be checking out the Nanook hard case. We're so excited, right? He's excited, he just doesn't know how to show it. Can I open it?
All right.
Oh, thank you. As you can see, it comes in a styrofoam casing, and that's why we bought the hard case. Let's open it up. Get a peek in here. Pull it up, turn it. Smells brand new. It comes with a tripod and the handle. Get the sucker out of here. Screws onto the handle. All right. Set up our tripod here. Okay, now we're gonna get out the gimbal. Tucked in here really good. All right. You just take your handle and slide it onto your gimbal. Lock it in place with a little lever. Comes with this little bag. Let's see what's inside. Comes with some cables. Let's see what else is in here. Some extra bolts. Some Allen wrenches. Looks like a mounting rack and a little thing here. And that's it. Let's see what else came in the box. Looks like a plate, a power adapter, and of course they gave us some handy dandy instructions, which I'm definitely gonna need because I've never used a gimbal before.
Alright, it looks like Nasreen's got the gimbal set up for us. Now we're going to head outside and check it out.
Let's go!
Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take the gimbal and run up this path right here. Follow Nasreen, and we'll start at a slow pace and then maybe progress to a nice little run and see how it holds out.
Can you hear all those cicadas? They're so loud.
Things are annoying, man. Here I am running. This is about as fast as I can run right now. That's a good one. And hopefully it looks good. Nice little bend, here we go. Whew.
Now that was some rocky terrain. Let's see how this thing does on some flat land. Now let's try going up these stairs. Now let's try it one time without the gimbal. The footage we took with the gimbal came out amazing. I'm really impressed. It definitely adds a professional look to the video.
Now we did make some adjustments. We added this command unit, and we also added this Manfrotto quick release plate attached to our Sony a7S Mark II. But keep in mind, this thing weighs about 8 pounds. So if you plan on doing extended photo shoots, you better get yourself ready.
You better start working out those arms and those legs, because you got to do a gimbal walk.
Ninja walk. Now let's check out the hard case.
Excuse me. It came with the case, but this one is way better. Much more sturdy. We'll see. It is nice. Wow.
Man, this thing looks pretty sweet. Oh, boy, the feel on that.
Wow, that's really nice.
Okay, here's the difference between the two. As you can see right away, this one is definitely a lot more sturdy. And we got the hard case because I don't really know if this one's going to be able to withstand the amount of traffic that we're about to put it through.
We move around a lot.
But overall, this thing's looking like it's definitely a lot more durable. It's got a set of keys on it, so you can lock it up.
The Ronin-S costs $749 and the hard case is $129. And as always, everything's linked in the description below.
Don't forget to subscribe
And share our videos. Bye!